What happens if you edit the same clips in 3 different mobile editing apps? So that's exactly what I did. I opened CapCut, Alight Motion, and Blur, used the same clip, and tried to create the edit in each software. And trust me, the results were not what I expected. Before we start, I know everyone already has their favorite editing app, but instead of arguing about it, I wanted to test it for real. So I took the exact same clips and tried to turn them into an AMV using all 3 apps. For this challenge, everything has to stay equal. Each software only gets 1 hour and 30 minutes, and the effort stays the same too. No extra polishing on one edit while rushing another. And before anyone asks, I didn't record my editing process. So instead, I'll just show you the final edits from every software. All right, let's jump into the video. First, let me show you the clips I used for this challenge. CapCut is probably the most popular editing app right now, especially for mobile editors. The workflow here was actually really smooth. Most of the effects are easy to apply. Syncing the clips with the music was quick, and overall, it didn't take long to build the edit. But of course, it still has some limitations when it comes to deeper motion effects and advanced control. Blur is interesting because it gives you a lot more control over certain effects. The editing style here felt a bit different compared to CapCut. Some things were harder to set up, but once you understand the workflow, it actually allows some really cool visual effects. It definitely feels more experimental. Alight Motion is known for its powerful motion graphics tools. It gives you much more control over keyframes, effects, and animations. The workflow can feel slower compared to CapCut, but the level of customization you get is honestly on another level. So after editing the same clips in all 3 apps, CapCut, Blur, and Alight Motion, I can honestly say each one has its own strengths. CapCut is probably the fastest and easiest to work with. Blur gives you some really unique effects once you understand the workflow, and Alight Motion gives you the most control when it comes to detailed motion and animations. But now I'm actually curious what you think. Which edit looked the best? CapCut, Blur, or Alight Motion? Let me know in the comments. I really want to see your opinions. And if you want to see more editing challenges like this, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.